Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to the next class of the number system. This is the 10th class and today we all are going to discuss about one topic which we have left in the middle of the chapter, which is written as successive magnification on number line. If you can see, there is a number written over here, that is 2.665. If someone says to represent it on the number line, it is not very easy to draw it or to show it on the number line because it contains thousandth place of decimal, which means what? We need to divide the space between 2 and 3 in thousand parts, which is practically not very feasible. So what we do over here in this class, try to understand how can we visualize. This is just the visualization to show how does or where does that particular number lies. The name of the topic says successive magnification. So you all are aware about the word magnification. That means to enlarge something, and successive means one after the other. So the successive magnification means we will do the enlargement of a number line in a successive manner, means we'll do it in stages. For example, we will take the first example. Over here I did certain constructions beforehand because it's not easy to draw it over here. So for the same, I have drawn certain lines over here. I'll be discussing it how it can be done. The first thing is to check what number is to be represented on the number line or to be visualized on the number line. So over here we have 2.665 to be visualized on the number line. So first of all, if you can see, this whole part of this number is 2. If you add 1 to it, you will be getting 3, which means this number lies between 2 and 3. So that means the number 2.665 will lie between 2 and 3. So you can see the space between 2 and 3 is very small. So if instead of looking at by your naked eyes, if you use a magnifying glass, this region will be visible a little bit more spacious, and that is what is being shown in the next stage, and that is how we are going to proceed with the question. So firstly, we have identified that the number lies between 2 and 3. Now for next step, we will see what the number is written at the 10th place of the decimal, and that is 6. And the number is after that, if you add 1 to it you will be getting 2.7. That means 2.665 will lies between 2.6 and 2.7. So what we have done over here in the first part, we have tried to find out where does 2.6 and 2.7 lies. So what we have done, we have magnified this region, and when you magnify, you will get this. We have divided the region between 2 and 3 to 10 parts so that each part can represent 1/10 of the whole part. And that is how it can be written now as 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 and so on up to 2.9. So now we will find that where 2.6 and 2.7 lies. So you can see here is 2.6 and here it is 2.7. So the number, as we have discussed, lies between 2.6 and 2.7. So we will further do the magnification of this region. We will magnify this region once again, because if you see the 100th number or 100th place digit, it is 2.66. So the number lies between 2.6 to 2.7. We have enlarged this region and we have got this. 2.6, then 2.61, 62, 63. Once again, we have divided the reason into 10 parts. Actually, this, the third step, shows the 100th division of the space between 2 and 3. Means actually it has been divided into 100 parts over here, but it is not like that because we are using the successive magnification process. So now we will find out what the number is written at the 100th place. So that is 6 once again. That means now the number will lies between 2.66, and after this 6, 7 will come. That is 2.67. So we will try to identify where does 2.66 and 2.67 lies. Here it is. Once again we will magnify this. So we'll get this 2.66 to 2.67, and now it is 2.661, 662, 663, and so on. The number is 2.665. So here it is 2.665. So this is how you can use the successive magnification process to visualize a number which contains decimal places, several decimal places I should say, on the number line. Let us take one more example. We'll do it step by step over here. Maybe the lines may not be very straight, but you should be able to understand what actually we have done over here in step by step process. So over here, firstly, you can see the number is 5.3775. So the integral part is 5. So the number lies between 5 and 5 plus 1, that is 6. So we have to have the number 5 and number 6 on the number line. So we will draw a number line which should contain the number 5 and 6. So let's have this number line over here. So this is the number line. So now you can find out the number 5 and number 6 on the number line. So here we have 5, here we have 6 on the number line. The next part is 3. So that means the number is lying between 5 and 6. So we will magnify the region between 5 and 6. So this is how it will look like when we magnify the number between 5 and 6. This is how it will look like. So what we have done, we have expanded or we have enlarged this region between 5 and 6. And then the 10th place is 3. So the number is still having decimal places, means the number lies between 5.3, and add 3 plus 1 becomes 5.4. That means this number will lies between 5.3 and 5.4. So now we will enlarge this region. So here it is. We will see that now 5.3 and 5.4 has been enlarged. We have got the 10 divisions between them, 5.31, 32, 33, so on. Now The next decimal place is 7, which means now the number will lie between 5.37, and if you add 7 to add 1 to 7, you will get 5.38. So the number lies between 5.37 and 5.38. So here it is 5.37, here it is 5.38. So once again we will magnify the region between them, and then it will looks like this. So now 5.37 and then 5.38 has been magnified. We have got 5.371, 372 and so on. The next part is again 7, that means 5.377, and it lies between 5.377 and 5.378. So we'll find out where is 5.377 and 5.378. Once again we will magnify this region, and then it will look like this. This is how it will look like, and here it is 5.377, and this is 5.378, and then 5.371, 72, 73, 74, 75. So this is 5.3775. So this is how you can visualize the numbers on the number line. Hope you have understood how to do it. If you are and have any doubt, you can revert back on my personal window for any queries. Now, with the help of this, you all will be able to solve the exercise 1.4 of your NCERT book. And till then, we'll meet now in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Jai Hind.